There's a very interesting Indian legend on how Lake Tahoe and surrounding lakes came into being. Long before white men came to Nevada, there lived a good Indian in the meadows beyond Glenbrook. Though he was good, he was annoyed by the evil spirit who constantly interfered with whatever he tried to do. Finally, he decided to move away to the Valley of California. When he tried to escape, the evil one was always there ready to trip him. At this time, the good spirit came to his rescue and gave him a leafy branch with magical qualities. Every time the evil one approached, he would drop a bit of the branch and water would immediately spring up, which delayed the evil one, giving the Indian time to escape. The Indian made his way to the mountains and then looked back, only to find the evil one approaching in the distance. Gripped with fear, he dropped nearly the whole branch instead of a leaf. Water immediately began to rise quickly and in volume, and to his delight formed the great Lake of Tahoe. Now, that lake lay between him and the evil one. Relieved, he hurried to the canyons. Then he looked back once again. Evil one was still advancing in the distance. Now he had only one leaf left on the twig, which he plucked and threw it down. That turned into the fallen leaf lake. Speeding up the ravines, he dropped small twigs along the way, and lily, grass, and heather lake came up to guard his way until he was at the crest of the mountain and safe in the desired Valley of California.